Welcome to another in the series of demonstrations designed to get you quickly up to speed with what's new in NXCAM. This video will demonstrate how you can now use the new Stepover cleanup option to remove large scallops that sometimes remain at corners in the toolpath and at the center of follow periphery cut patterns when using the area milling drive method. First, we'll take a look at how large scallops sometimes remain at corners in the toolpath and at the center of the cut pattern. Double-click Contour Area to edit the operation. Click Replay. The Stepover used in this operation is large, so we can see the scallop height clearly. Click Verify. Click Play. Notice that the scallops at the center of the follow periphery cut pattern and where the toolpath forms corners are larger than those along the linear cuts. Click OK to complete the toolpath visualization. Now we'll see how you can remove the large scallops. In the Drive Method section of the dialog box, click Edit. The Stepover Cleanup option is new. This option is available in the Area Mill Drive method when using the follow periphery cut pattern. The default is off. Select the Stepover Cleanup checkbox. Click OK. Click Generate. Additional cutting passes have been created to remove the large scallops. Click Verify. Click Play. Pattern direction inward and outward determines the cut direction of the Stepover cleanup cuts. Click OK to complete the toolpath visualization. Click OK in the Operation dialog box. This concludes the demonstration of how you can use the new Stepover cleanup option to remove large scallops that sometimes remain at corners in the toolpath and at the center of the follow periphery cut pattern. Thank you.